Hello there, I'm Elaine Stenson. UK retail sales grew by 0.6% in September compared with the previous month following an unexpected fall in August. Meanwhile, sales volumes had risen by 2.2% compared with September 2012, despite a fall of sales in supermarkets. Ishaq Siddiqi from ETX Capital in London joins me on the line now to look at this further. Ishaq, were you expecting these figures?
I was expecting a bit of a rebound, but not as strongly as the 0.6% month on month. I think in general the rebound was because we have such a soft sales for the month of August that naturally you would think that the September season, particularly the fact that the month of August for the UK was relatively decent when it comes to weather, would have pushed back some of the shoppers back into the high street. So a bit of a tick up, but not as strong as 0.6. So it's encouragingly surprised us to the upside.
Although confidence was rising, some have said that growth in wages remains stubbornly low, so many consumers were yet to benefit from having more money. Do you agree with this?
Yeah, I think that's absolutely the case. The momentum in the labour market is encouraging, but still slow. The unemployment rate is still stubbornly high, and in general, I mean, we know that there is a pickup in consumer credit and a rising wealth for most people. So incomes are starting to drift higher, but very slowly. There is a propensity for the UK public to go out now and start departing with the hard-earned cash, but there is a bit of caution in the sense that wages are stubbornly low at the moment. They will start picking up during the course of 2014, and that should give us a bit of a let-up. At the moment, I think there is some credence to that argument.
Okay, Ishaq, and do these positive figures indicate to you that recovery in the housing market will start to show up shortly?
Yeah, I think so. Look, we've seen tentative signs of a recovery in the housing market in the UK. That's been the case for the last year. A lot of the surveys that we've seen have indicated that, and I think that goes in very much hand in hand with the pickup in retail spending. But I think there is a bit of caution going into 2014. We've just had news out from the energy giants in the UK, British Gas, and previously last week we had it from SSC that they're starting to increase energy prices, and that's going to put a bit of a squeeze on the consumer as well. So consumers in the UK will be paying a lot more for their bills, and that will start meaning that they'll have a lot less money, disposable income to splash out in the shops. So there is a bit of a warning. 2014 maybe a bit more stickier, but in general I think the picture is optimistic that we are going to see the recovery in the UK resume in 2014 and maybe even be stronger than what we're expecting now.
Ishaq, thank you so much for joining me on the line today, and that's all from me for now, but check back later for more economic data updates. Bye for now.